You guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick little mini haul to share with you guys. I went to Family Dollar today, picked up a couple of items. I originally went in to grab some children's cold and cough relief. I've never tried this brand, but it's the Family Wellness brand. It was like $2.50 for ages 6 and over. I got it for Elijah. He's 9. He has a bit of a cough. I got him the grape flavor in this. So we're going to see how that works. I also picked up this cute little Post-it note dispenser. It comes with one dispenser and one pack of 150 pack of Post-its inside, and I thought this was so cute. I always use Post-its, and something to store them in I thought would be really nice. It was on hanging from a thingy that said $2, but I just noticed my receipt says $5.50, so I'm gonna have to take it back up there and have them do a price check because I thought it was $2. So, but I like it. I think this is cute and comes in handy for you to just keep your Post-its inside, and you can just pop one out as needed. And while I was standing in the line, they had the Ring phone stands for $1. It is a 360-degree rotating ring for mobile devices. You can use as a kickstand or as a ring to improve grip. Compatible with most smartphones. You just can stick it on the back of your phone, and these are really good to have. I usually always keep some type of phone ring or stand or holder on my phone. So for $1, this is a really good deal. So when these first came out, they cost a lot more than that. Also, if you guys have ever noticed at Dollar Tree, they have these facial masks. They don't have the gold, but they have like Collagen and one other by Global Beauty Care. Global Beauty Care is actually this same brand, which is Spa-scriptions, and I found that out when I opened this and used it today, because on here it says join our community at Global Beauty Care. So I looked them up on Instagram, and I seen that their products looked just like the Dollar General mask products. So when I went to Family Dollar today, I seen that they had masks. They had a whole shelf full of dollar facial stuff. They had a gold, a collagen, and I think like a hydrating mask. So I wanted to try the gold. I said just for $1. All the masks were $1. They even had a new pack which comes with 4 or 5 in it for I think like $3 or $4. But they had a bunch on the shelf where these were under it. They had more Global Beauty Care tags that said $1, and I was reading them, and it said that they were all like different facial pills that they had for $1, but they were all out. They also had the black peel off charcoal mask, but the charcoal mask was like $3 to $5, but they also had one that was $1, but they were out. So yeah, the Global Beauty Care that they sell at Dollar Tree is actually the same brand from the Spa-scriptions brand. I used this for the first time today. I did get this from Family Dollar, not today, but I showed it before in one of my vids, I think on my nail channel. I may have showed it on this channel as well, but I used this today. It's the anti-aging gel face mask with grapefruit and collagen, and it has the silicone mask applicator, which is my first time using, and I love it. I love this applicator. I really like it. It goes on so nicely, but this had my skin looking really nice, clean, and shiny. So far, so good. First time using it today, so I want to try the black peel off mask, but I'm going to use this a couple more times to make sure I don't break out or anything from it. But so far, so good. But yeah, the gold spa treatment mask offers intense hydration to revitalize, smooth, and soften skin. You leave it on for 15 minutes. Helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And that's how the back of it looks. And this was also $1 by Global Beauty Care as well. It's the Collagen Skin Cream, anti-aging for all skin types. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles, enhances elasticity, boosts skin strength, hydrates, nourishes, delays the effects of aging. It's hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and it's pH balanced. So this was just $1, and I wanted to go ahead and get the moisturizer since I'm going to be using the gel. This you use, I believe, 2 to 3 times a week. So after you do this and wash it off, I'm going to put on the skin cream and see how well this works, as well as the mask. This LA Colors Unicorn Sparkle. Oh my god, I was so excited to come across this. How pretty is the hollow in this glitter polish, and it's called Unicorn Sparkle. And you can see the O. I don't know if y'all could tell, but the O has a little unicorn on it. And of course, I had to grab this. It says unicorn sparkle on the tag. And my light just went out, but it's showing all the pretty sparkle. Look at that. Oh, this was just $2. It's LA Colors. They only had 2 left. I found this in a very random spot. It was not where the nail polish was. It was on a shelf. So it was in a random spot. But I had to grab it. Love it. Share that with you guys really quick. A little mini haul again from Family Dollar. All these items are from Family Dollar. So yeah, thumbs up the video, you guys. Make sure you please subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, you guys.